Welcome to the Crochet Me That channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Sharon, and today we're diving into the absolute basics of crochet. Before you can make anything amazing, you need to know how to start, and that begins with the humble but essential slip knot. First, take the tail end of your yarn, that's the loose end, and lay it across the working yarn, which is the yarn coming from your ball or skein. Now, bring the working yarn over the tail yarn, creating a loop. It should look a little like a lowercase c. Next, take your crochet hook and insert it under the loop you just made. Now, with your hook, grab the working yarn, the yarn that's coming from your ball. You can do this by hooking it from underneath. Now, tighten the loop on your hook by pulling the tails. Do not tighten too much. Alternately, you can make a slip knot with your hands and then place it on your hook and tighten it. Thanks so much for watching and happy crocheting. I'll see you in the next video. Mastering the chain stitch. For more left-hand tutorials, go to my YouTube channel, Sharon Santorum 4205, crochetmethat.com.